Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's the day I'm gonna swap out my grill. My last video I did the barricade bumper and I installed fog lights right there. I'm still waiting on my hood. That should be coming today, but I want to go ahead and get started on the grill because yeah, it's way better once I get it done. All right, here we get started. I gotta pop the hood and pull the pins. All right, so gotta start by popping all these little pins. Here. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, after you get all these pins pulled, this dust cover can get removed. All right, once you got that cover off, you're gonna have 4 bolts. One right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. You can see where mine broke. Hey, thanks, man. Okay, once you got those bolts out, you have to pull out these tabs on each side, and then you're gonna pull away, and you'll feel the clips pop. And then there's one bolt right there we gotta get on each side. So I'm gonna do that now. And after you get those done, you gotta unplug your camera and your fluid. You also want to pull it off right here. Two clips. And then the dust cover here, down there on each side, and then you're gonna pull this off, and there's one more down here. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I got the grill off with the shutters. So this is the last clip I was talking about, this one, and there's one on this side, but it rips, so I have to fix that. All right, let's get started on this. This is my old shutter. You can see it's broke in a few places and here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to start taking off these bolts here, and 2 on the other side. So I'm going to do that right now. You don't have to take them all the way out. You can just slide them over and then they'll pop off. But there's also one right in the middle that we got to get, and then we should be able to take the shutters off. So to pull this off, we actually need to, at the bottom of the grill, there's 1, 2, 3 little screws or nuts that are going to come off. They're kind of, they look like this. I'm just going to pry up on them, and mine kind of popped off, but they're broken anyway, so not a big deal. And then on the top part, we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm missing one right there. All right. Okay, once you get your shutters off, you have to disconnect all the plugs. So your washer line and your camera. Now I'm going to transfer the camera to the new grill. All right. So this is my new grill, Caliber9, the light bar. You can see the camera vision. So I'm going to flip this over and install the camera right now. So this is the new shutter, grill shutter for 2015 through 20. At Ford Parts, I believe this is like a $600 part. I found it on eBay for like 120 bucks. All you need is the part number. It's got all the provisions. You see where all the lines go. So I'm just gonna put those lines over here and put in the Starkey light. I'm gonna do that right now. Get these out. I'm actually pushing it from behind, so I can try to save those tree clips. So I got one right there still. I'm gonna go one down there, and I'll be able to transfer these lines. And the next thing I gotta figure out how to transfer this. Okay, so I got all those lines plugged in to the new shutter, and now I'm going to see if the Starkey light fits. I was looking at this piece right here might rub on it, so I might have to cut this, but we'll see. I still got to get this piece out from over there. All right, okay, I skipped ahead a little bit. You're going to have to put brackets on the inside so these screw holes can fit in on the bottom. And I had to cut a hole here in the plastic so my Starkey light will actually fit right there, otherwise that plastic piece was hindering it. I got the cables coming up the top just like that, and I'm going to pull these styrofoam and remount this grill. I am missing the actor shutter. I'm not sure how to install that yet, so I'm going to have to figure that out. But yeah, I'm going to get this bundle back up and have someone else figure that part out, or I'll watch some videos and try to figure it out myself. All right, So we're gonna put this in, and I skipped a few steps, but you basically put it in the same way you got it out. You gotta put it in at an angle, and then clip each dust cover on the sides, and then put the bolt in on each side, tilt it forward in, and then you're going to secure the 4 bolts, and then put your light trim back in, because after you tighten the bolts, you don't need those hanging out anymore. And then you put your dust cover over the top and button everything up. And the next video I will be doing the power. So I didn't hook up this light or these fog lights yet, but that's what it looks like now. Much better. All right, thanks for watching.